Good morning, the students of class 7 Model International School Hiswa. Dear students, I am Prakash Sharma, English teacher, is just standing before you to teach the topic of tense. Dear students, at first I want to tell you what is tense. The tense is that form of the verb which tells us about the time of an action. Or we can say that the time which is spent and doing any work is called tense. Dear students, if you have read the tense earlier, you may have heard there are three types of tense. That means there are three kinds of tense. First, present tense. Second, past tense. Third, future tense. At first, I want to tell you what is present tense. Present tense, that means the verb shows an action in present time is called present tense. Such as I am doing this work. I write a letter. I have seen the Taj Mahal. I have been teaching all of you for several years. All such are examples are related to present tense. But you have to know that there are four kinds of also present tense. First, simple present, that is also known as present indefinite. Second, present continuous or present imperfect or present progressive. Three names. And third, present perfect tense. Fourth, present perfect continuous tense. Dear student, at first I am going to tell you simple present tense. That means what is simple present tense? How will you recognize it? The simple present is a verb tense which is used to show repetition, action or habit, etc. Such as the sun rises in the east. I go to school daily. The teacher teaches me. These are the examples of simple present tense. And if you want to recognize rule, if the Hindi sentence given in the end of ta hai, ti hai, te hai given, that you should understand that this sentence is related to simple present tense. And making rule, simple present tense, at first subject plus V1 plus object. But one condition is here, if the subject is in similar number of third person, then S plus V5 plus O. Example, take an example. I ask a question, S plus V1 plus O, because I is here first person. You tell me a story, S plus V1 plus O, because you is second person. And if I tell Ram writes an application, here Ram is third person, so V1 is not used. Here V5 will be used. V5 means S or ES added in the end of main verb. So I can say that Ram writes an application. The principal teaches us English. If I tell you the principal teaches English, wrong, because the principal is third person, singular number. So in this condition, S plus V5 plus object is correct. Dear students, take care. This is the rule of affirmative, and it contains negative, interrogative, and WH words. And if you change into negative sentence, then S plus does not, do not, plus V1 plus subject. But take care of this matter. Take care of this condition. Does not will be used only as in the singular number of subject, such as the teacher does not teach English. Here teacher is third person singular subject, so does not will be used with the subject of teacher. If I tell you, I do not write a letter, here do not will be used because subject is here first person. You do not take my pen, here do not will be used before because you is here second person. Just like this, I shall tell you next part. Interrogative. Interrogative sentence starts with kya. Such as in this cases, you have to take care. At first, do or does. After that, subject plus V1 plus O. All the students look at this matter. If do and does will be used, then always V1 will be used, not V5. Such as, does the teacher teach English? Do you go to a school daily? Does Ram help me? This is the correct sentence of simple present interrogative sentence. And at last, I want to tell you some words given in the middle of sentence that is known as WH words, such as what, when, why, where, how many, how much, given in sentence. Then these words will be used in initial period at first WH words. After that, do, does plus subject plus V1 plus subject. Such as, how many hours do you study daily? How many hours? WH words. So it will be used before. Where do you read? Where WH word. So it will be used before. For which game do you like most? Dear student, which game is also related to WH words, so it will be used at first. Just like this, any other WH words will be used before helping verb. Thanks.